Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on periodic motion. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. So the frequency of oscillation of a vertical spring is F, when the mass is hanging from the spring is M. What is the relationship between F and M? Well, as always, I'm going to turn to my data book. I'm going to find a useful equation, and this is the one I'm going to turn to. The time period for a spring mass system is equal to 2 pi multiplied by the square root of the mass over the spring constant. Now, we're not talking about the time period, we're talking about the frequency. Well, the frequency of any system is equal to 1 over time period. So the frequency, I can basically just take the reciprocal of all this equation, is going to be 1 over 2 pi square root of spring constant over mass, and that shows me that the frequency is directly proportional to 1 over the square root of mass. Another way of writing 1 over the square root of something is to the minus a half. The minus shows it's over and the half shows it's a square root. So the frequency is directly proportional m to the minus 1/2. Answer A. If that was useful, subscribe, like and share please, and watch more of them in the series.